Hi students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study Pythagoras theorem. Now, what is the statement of theorem? First we need to write the statement of this theorem. This theorem states that in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse side is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. Consider this right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, first in a right angle triangle, this is the right angle triangle. So in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse side is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse side is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. This is what the statements. So to prove this theorem, we need to write three things. Which are those three things? Means first we need to write given. What is given in this diagram? In a triangle ABC, in this triangle ABC, the angle ABC is 90 degree, right? Angle ABC is 90 degree. So another one is to prove. What we need to prove in this, right, is this is a statement itself is the proof. So square of the hypotenuse side in a right angle triangle. So square of the hypotenuse side means AC is the hypotenuse. So AC square of the hypotenuse side is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. Means sum of the square of the other two sides means this AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. This is what we need to prove in this theorem. So to prove this theorem, we need to do some constructions. So we need to prove some we need to do some construction. This draw a perpendicular BD perpendicular to AC. Draw a perpendicular you can draw anywhere. So this is what the perpendicular. It should be perpendicular to this. Okay. So construction. What is this construction? Is draw BD. This is what the point D perpendicular to AC. Okay. So now we are going to proof. In this proof, consider in a right angle triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree, right? This is the given. So, and what we did is we draw BD perpendicular to AC. This, okay. Now in this AB square is equal to after this we can write AB square is equal to AC into AD. Okay, this is what the equation 1. AB square is equal to AC into AD. Okay, then BC square is equal to AC into CD. BC square is equal to AC into CD. Okay, call this as equation 2. So now we need to add these two equations. Add 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Add. Okay. So this equation. Take left hand side. So AB square plus BC square is equal to, take right hand side, AC into AD plus AC into CD. Okay. So therefore AB square plus BC square is equal to, in this AC is common in both terms, so take AC as a common. So we left with AD here and CD here. Okay. So therefore AB square plus BC square is equal to AC of AD plus CD. Okay. Therefore AB square plus BC square is equal to, what is AD plus CD? AD plus CD is nothing but AC, right? So AC into AD plus CD is nothing but AC. So write AC. So therefore you can write it here. AD plus CD is equal to AC. So AB square plus BC square is equal to AC into AC, AC square. So therefore this is what the proof. Thank you.